Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code DTC P0112 indicates a low voltage error in the intake air temperature IAT sensor 1 circuit. This sensor plays a crucial role in the engine management system by measuring the temperature of the air entering the engine, which helps the powertrain control module, PCM, adjust air-fuel mixtures for optimal performance. When the output voltage from IAT sensor 1 drops below a specified threshold, the PCM interprets this as an anomaly, prompting the storage of the P0112 code. Locating the IAT sensor can generally be done near the mass airflow MAF sensor, positioned in the intake manifold airflow. Understanding this error and its underlying causes is essential for restoring vehicle functionality and ensuring optimal engine performance. The DTC P0112 is related to a low voltage reading from the intake air temperature IAT sensor 1. This sensor is pivotal in measuring the temperature of the intake air, assisting the powertrain control module, PCM, to regulate the engine's air-fuel mix according to real-time conditions. When the voltage from the IAT sensor falls below 0.08 volts, an abnormality is identified by the PCM, leading to the storage of this DTC. Often, this low voltage indicates potential issues with the sensor itself, the surrounding wiring, or even the PCM. The location of the IAT sensor is typically near the mass airflow sensor in the intake manifold. This proximity is essential for effective temperature readings that impact engine performance. There are several potential causes for the DTC P0112, each warranting careful examination. A faulty IAT sensor often tops the list. If the sensor has internal damage or wear, it may not produce the correct voltage output. Alternatively, shorted wires along the circuit can create a pathway to ground, leading to the reduced voltage reading detected by the PCM. A malfunction within the PCM itself can also be a culprit. If this controller fails, it may misinterpret data or provide incorrect readings to the diagnostic tools. Each of these causes could disrupt the operation of the engine management system, requiring a thorough diagnostic process to identify the root issue. Drivers experiencing DTC P0112 may notice various symptoms impacting their vehicle's performance. Commonly, poor engine performance may manifest as hesitations or stalling, particularly during acceleration. Reduced fuel efficiency can occur if the PCM struggles to adjust the air-fuel mixture correctly, leading to incomplete combustion. Additionally, the illumination of the check engine light signifies an issue detected by the vehicle's onboard diagnostic system. These symptoms detract from the overall driving experience and could lead to further mechanical issues if not addressed promptly. Recognizing and diagnosing these symptoms is crucial for the timely resolution of this trouble code. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0112 involves turning the vehicle's ignition to the on position to prepare the system for diagnosis. The next critical action is to inspect the IAT sensor voltage using the Honda Diagnostic System HDS, ensuring it displays correctly. If the HDS shows an IAT sensor 1 voltage reading below 0.08 volts, this indicates a confirmed problem in the circuit. It's essential to interpret these readings accurately, as they reveal whether the issue lies with the sensor output or potentially with related components. If the initial test conditions do not match normal criteria, further investigation into the MAF sensor and wiring becomes necessary. In this step, begin by disconnecting the MAF sensor and IAT sensor 14P connector from its respective terminal. This disconnection allows for a more accurate assessment of the wiring and sensors involved, without interference. Following this, it's crucial to check the voltage output again after disconnection. A normal reading should be more than 0.08 volts. If the readings remain low even after disconnecting, the issue is likely within the sensor itself. Conversely, if normal readings appear, focus shifts back to the wiring and associated circuits for potential faults. Thoroughly inspecting for shorts or breaks is essential to confirm the integrity of the entire system. For the third step, preparation for inspecting the PCM is essential. Start by safely disconnecting the PCM connector, ADP, and ensuring the MAF and IAT sensor connectors remain detached. Following this, utilize the diagnostic tools to assess the PCM's functionality and accuracy. A thorough inspection will reveal any discrepancies against normal operation conditions. This step is vital, as a functioning PCM is critical for interpreting sensor signals accurately. If abnormalities are detected in the PCM's performance or output, it could confirm that the PCM itself is at fault, necessitating potential replacement or repair. After completing the troubleshooting steps and necessary repairs, it is crucial to verify the final results. Begin by clearing any stored diagnostic trouble codes in the PCM. Following this, a test drive of the vehicle should be performed to evaluate the system's performance under real-world conditions. During this test, monitor the functionality of the IAT sensor and closely check for reoccurrence of the DTC P0112. Successful verification ultimately hinges on the absence of any warning lights or performance issues during the test drive. A thorough analysis at this stage assures that any previous faults have been addressed effectively. Preventive maintenance is essential to avoid DTC P0112 occurrences in the future. Regular inspections of the IAT sensor and its wiring are beneficial to ensure their seamless operation. Inspecting for signs of wear or damage, along with any corrosion in electrical connections, is vital for maintaining proper function. Additionally, keeping connectors clean and free from debris prevents signal interference that may lead to incorrect readings. Simple maintenance actions, like clearing dust from sensor areas and ensuring secure connections, can greatly enhance the longevity and reliability of the sensor systems within the vehicle. These proactive steps significantly reduce the chances of similar issues arising. In summary, DTC P0112 denotes a low voltage issue in the intake air temperature sensor circuit, prompting an error message in the vehicle's system. Recognizing the symptoms, such as poor engine performance and the check engine light, is key for drivers. Understanding the potential causes, faulty sensors, damaged wiring, or PCM issues provides a roadmap for diagnosis. Following the structured troubleshooting steps outlined in this manual is crucial to pinpointing and rectifying the problem effectively. Lastly, implementing preventive maintenance measures helps ensure the continued operation of the IAT sensor and associated systems, minimizing the risk of reoccurrence. Being proactive in vehicle maintenance translates into better performance and a smoother driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.